Hi, Roxana. Okay. I put your table back together, but look at, I couldn't find it where it actually gives me the resize pointer except on page 76 in my book. There is another page, but I must have given it to one of you guys. And please, I think I lost a student because she thinks I did give you guys books. Shh, our secret. Okay, but look on page 76. I have a 2013, but it's called the Resize pointer. What you do is see how it's doing. It has that little north and south line, and then the two arrows, one's east and one's west. Just go like this. All right? Because if you turn on your show and hide right here, see these extra spots? Don't put that in. Don't put these shift enter in and proofread this. All this stuff. Like this is an extra enter here, or shift enter. Some of them do call for that, but others you don't want to do. So again, here's that resize pointer, and you just move that. This one you might need. I don't really have the book. But see these two little dots right there? Those are extra spaces. Make sure you proofread this carefully. Like these, I don't know if they have, if you need this shift enter right here. But watch what happens again when I move this resize pointer. See how the text moves? And that's what they want you to do rather than put in the extra enters. Okay? And make sure you don't have this page, this extra page here. Okay, you want it all on one page. So make sure this page is taken out. Well, make sure you get rid of that second page there. Alright. You might even have to change the margins. Okay, so go here to layout. My computer moves. And change the margins, like top and bottom. You might have to just go in here to custom margins. Because they want you to keep this 5 or 6, whatever it is. And you might just have to put like the top at 0.5. I'm pretty sure that won't come up. If it comes up in the formatting, don't worry about it. It's the keystroking errors that you want to be concerned with. Okay, and that will take that second page out of there. But yeah, again, that resize pointer, just grab it over here to the left and slide over. See how much easier that is than hitting the enters and shift enters? It just makes it look neat. And then again, you can just take your borders out. I don't know what this calls for because I'm just kind of not looking at the book, being lazy. I've had sinus issues. Alright, make sure this is 14 font, and then make sure you have your paragraph spacing correct. Like it says add space before, you might, make sure these are add space after, remove the spacing. I don't know what the directions, but read all of the directions. And also, I put links in there to Arlene Zimmerly's site on how to use the speak and proofreading. Paste. I can never remember which one it is here. This speak selected text. I believe that's that speak for the help with the proofreading. Okay. Alright, so just kind of use that one. Alright? Hope this helps. Let me know. But remember, yeah, see how See how I did that? And you can use it's easier to do it with the borders on. Take your borders off at the very last. Okay? Always take your borders off at the very last. That's the very last thing that you want to do. So you have them here so you can see that thing. I really like that feature. I usually do that with most of my stuff, even when, you know. Okay? Hope this helps. Good luck. Email me if it doesn't. I will probably won't be back until Monday on the computer. But I'll probably check in maybe sometime tomorrow, but maybe not. Okay? Little one is approaching too, so we're planning birthday party. All right? Take care. Come see me in BE 239 from about 2 to 2:30 on Tuesdays if you need help, and email me that you'll be coming. Talk to you soon. Bye.